This apprentice was praised for their aspirations and future thinking. They are always professional and passionate about the work they do, and the judges believe that they have a very promising future as a leader in engineering. The winner of the NIKKEN HNC and Higher Apprentice of the Year award is Jordan Clayton from Polypipe Building Products.
As an injection mould tool apprentice at Polypipe, my day-to-day activities include stripping and servicing injection mould tools, making new components for them, and we're using a wide range of different techniques to do this. The things I really like about working at Polypipe is the atmosphere that the workshop brings. It's a great environment, the challenges that each day brings, and learning new skills while on the job, including using lathes, millers, and electro-discharge machines.
Jordan is serving a 4-year apprenticeship at Mason & Pinder Polypipe. He's progressed through each department, showing a keen interest and a good understanding of engineering. Jordan is quietly confident, a very focused individual, and it's obvious here that everybody sees him as an intelligent lad and a vital part of Mason & Pinder Polypipe.
Short term, I'd like to learn as many skills on the job as I can and use that knowledge to teach other potential apprentices coming into the company. And long term, I'd like to see myself in a management role further up in the company.